You know the routine. 5 a.m., cold plunge, journal, greens. So why do you still feel like you failed the day by 8 a.m.? You did everything right. You followed the checklist. You started the day disciplined. But once the real work begins, the momentum disappears. So you assume the problem is you, not focused enough, not consistent enough. It's not a motivation issue, and it's not a discipline problem either. The issue isn't how you start the day, it's what the routine is quietly helping you avoid. Most morning routines don't prepare you for pressure. They protect you from it. They make you feel in control before you've done anything that actually demands effort. Progress doesn't come from perfect starts. It comes from uncomfortable follow-through. Instead of asking how to optimize your morning, ask this: what task today would I rather postpone? That's the work that matters, and it doesn't care what time you woke up. Tomorrow morning, the routine will still be there. It will feel safe, familiar, but the day won't change until you choose what actually moves it forward. What happens after 8 a.m. is still up to you.